This is the reason why you should not focus on subscribers on YouTube for you to earn monthly in a big way or in a moderate way on every payment day, that is 21st of every month. When you join YouTube like this, every person has now they have a culture of saying, subscribe to my channel. How many subscribers do I have? People have tended to focus more on subscribers and they've left a bigger part of what you are supposed to have. They know you are supposed to earn money on every damn day of the month. That is from Monday to Friday to Saturday. You are supposed to be seeing your YouTube channel is bringing in money. So today I'm bringing for you reasons of why you shouldn't focus on subscribers to earn monthly on YouTube. They are two totally different things. Having subscribers and also earning money on a monthly basis or on a daily basis. You will find people with millions of subscribers and earning very less money. And you'll find also someone with less subscribers is earning high money. Today, I'm going to bring for you some light of why you shouldn't focus on subscribers so much and focus on these points that I'm going to give you today from the experience and also from what we have seen and what we have learned from the people who are earning much money on YouTube. They are not focusing much on subscribers. They are focusing on the elements that are bringing money. Hey, this is Christine. Thank you for coming back and for allowing me to be on your screen. This is Christine once again on your channel. We are very grateful as Immaculate Show that you can allow us bringing for you allow us bring for you very vital information. This is one of the videos that is very vital. Please don't bypass it. You can even send it to a friend, send it to someone who is a content creator or who is focusing to make YouTube be another source of income. Please send it to someone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Immaculate Show channel. Today we are diving into a topic that might surprise you. Why you shouldn't focus on subscribers to earn monthly on your YouTube. If you're thinking of getting more subscribers is the way to get more money or to make money on YouTube, think again right now. I'm going to show you why it is not all about the numbers and how you can start earning monthly without being obsessed or obsessing over your subscriber count. As we talk, you can check my subscriber count, you can check your friend's subscriber count, but the money does not depend on what your subscriber count is. First thing first, you guys, let's talk about content. On YouTube, quality content I've come to see it always win. It does not matter if you have 100 subscribers or you have 100,000 subscribers. If your content is engaging, if your content is variable, if your content is optimized for CEO, it can generate steady income that you cannot believe right now. I know the hearsays right now, you're like, Christine, no, 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 no. Subscribers matter. If you really bring people, if you bring someone who has 100 subscribers but has engaging content, and you bring someone who has 100 subscribers but is not having engaging content, at the end of the month, the person with 100 subscribers only will get more money than the person who is having 100,000 subscribers. It can generate steady income, by the way. If you know you have 100 subscribers and your SEOs are being optimized, your content is being engaged, it is being valuable, it is adding value to somebody, it is having a solution to somebody out there who is watching, it can generate for you a steady income. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers watching. So your focus should be on creating videos that people want to watch from start to finish. You guys, I have a proof on this. I want you to go to your YouTube analytics. Check how far people have watched your content. You have 10,000 subscribers. How much do you earn on a monthly basis? Talk less of a daily basis. Imagine you having 10,000 subscribers, but you're getting less than $30 in a month. But to assure you, there's someone out there who has 1,000 subscribers and is getting more than $100 a month. The difference between you and the other person is the type of content that we have. So let's strive hard. I've seen like some of my content, my videos that are quality, and there's sort of problem that have been watched up to the 8 minute, that have been watched up to 50 minute, but the others without variable, they drop so much. People drop on a 3 mark, the people drop on a if they have helped you, they go up to 2 minutes, up to the second minute. So this is to tell you that YouTube algorithm rewards videos that keep viewers watching. So your focus should be creating videos that people want to watch from start to the finish. This is the big reason why you should not concentrate, why you should not focus on telling people to subscribe to your channel, because you should not earn as expected on a monthly basis. The second thing why you shouldn't focus mostly on subscribers to earn monthly on YouTube is this. Now let's talk about, you people, let's talk about leverage YouTube ads. Leverage YouTube. Let's talk about these ads, you people. Did you know that your earning from YouTube AdSense are not directly tied to your subscriber count? You know that. I want some people who are in the you can go to the comment section, especially people who are already earning monetized, and give me a proof by witnessing, by saying yes or no on this point. What really matters is the number of views and the engagement rate of your videos. You could have a small audience but still earn a significant monthly income if your videos get consistent views. What do we talk here? High CPM niches like finance, tech, and digital marketing can earn you more money even with very few views. I have proof on this, whereby my videos of 100 or 200 views are giving me $11 in the first day. Can you imagine that? So by the time they reach 1,000 views, it means they're going to get me a lot of money. So from today, you people, don't focus on subscribers for you to get a lot of money. Instead, focus on these things I'm teaching you right now. The third, well, let's talk about utilize affiliate marketing. Utilize affiliate marketing. I think in most of the videos that I've been doing lately, this point is there. Another reason not to stress over subscribers is affiliate marketing. You don't need a massive audience to make good money through affiliate links. If you're creating content that drives traffic and converts them well, you can earn a substantial income. For instance, a technical review channel with just a few thousand subscribers can generate thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions by recommending products that viewers are eager to buy. You guys, this one we have a proof. We have I have a tech review channel which is doing very well. They don't have very many views, but they are doing very well as in terms of dollars. So you people, when you're there, I don't want you to stress over the subscribers. What you do, stress over your video, stress over your niche, and stress over your CEOs. That is the keywords, the key searchable words that should be in your videos. Earning money on YouTube, earning money, making money on social media, making money online has been made simple, but we need to have a right key. When we have a right key, we are going to earn enough money. Let's not forget the power of community. In my last video, we talked about community and influence, but let's talk about now the power of community. You people, you need to build a royal audience. I'm one of the example that, as I've been having 2,000 subscribers, but you'll find we have like 5 people, 10 people, 30 people watching. Those 35 people watching are going not make you, they might watch, yes, but they might not build the community that you're having 2,000 subscribers, but the person with 1,000 subscribers, people are engaging and they are doing a lot of things. So building a royal audience trusts you is far more variable than just a massive or very big a very big audience of subscribers. When your views are engaged and trust your recommendation, they are more likely to support you through super chats, they give you super chats. You can have that on your channel. They give you channel membership. They merchandise their sales and very many things. This creates a sustainable income, and it gives you a sustainable income stream that doesn't rely solely on subscriber numbers. So you guys, I want you to look and focus on this. Don't dare focus on subscribers, because with subscribers, they might not do what they are supposed to do. With YouTube, now it has started recommending our videos, and especially to the new content creators. What you need to do now, you need to make sure and see if my niche is in for example, mine is in finance tutorials. If it's there, what are the people I'm looking? Who inspired me to start this? What are the people that are doing this and have already made it? If they have already made it, it means there's something good in it. You can find they have 5,000, they have 1 million, they have a very many views. What do they do? What you need to do is concentrate and see what they are doing. How are they doing their thumbnail? How are they doing their titles? How are they doing their description? You can even see how I've changed how I used to do my thumbnails, how I used to do my titles. I've tried to change because I know the subscribers is not the focus to make money. We are where we are on social media. We need to make money. We don't need to make noise. We don't need to see views. We need to see money at the end of the month. Are you withdrawing money? That's what we need to see. Then another thing on this, it's about you guys, let's talk about it. Really, it's about the niche that you have. Niche matters so much. Most of you are saying niche, I don't care, I can do anything. A niche is very important as far as content is concerned. Focus on creating content around long tail keywords and niche topics. These videos may attract fewer viewers, but the audience that does find them is often more dedicated and likely to watch your videos in full. I am example. I always get now my videos being watched up to the 8, 10, 11 minute, which is so good. Even if the viewers are few, but you can have very few viewers, but you're getting money out of it. Also, the advertisers will not be pulled to put their high end income on a topic that is very common to everyone. So what you do, please look for your niche, and you see the niches that are being paid highly. You really concentrate on that. This can lead to higher ad revenue and strong affiliate marketing results without needing millions of subscribers. I'm still talking about your niche. Then let's talk about why you should not focus more on subscribers. It's because of digital products. When we're talking about digital products, you don't need a large subscriber base for you to sell online things. There are some people that have books. Unfortunately, my book is not yet ready. There are some people that have ebooks or other digital products. If your content provides real value, your audience will be willing to pay more in-depth information. This is another way to create passive income on YouTube without stressing about growing your subscriber count. Do you have products that you said, as in terms of maybe you have packages, you have you're teaching, you're doing something? This one can make you money more than others. So the takeaway here is simple: subscribers are not the end all bell when it comes to making money on YouTube. No, focus on creating valuable content. Focus on creating a content that is being needed, that being engaged with your audience, that is serving a need. And monetizing through multi streams is very nice for you to get money. That's how you start earning monthly on YouTube without a subscriber obsession. If you notice what I've been doing, I no longer say, please subscribe, please watch. No, because now I know the right key to earning money. Why are we here? It is purely earn money. If you can't earn money on this social media, then you should sit down and see, where can I go? Subscribers, let it be 1 million, let it be. But if they cannot engage, if they cannot watch a video too, if they are not virgin subscribers, if they are not real subscribers, they will never give you money at all. You guys, I'm so grateful. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you also want, you can go ahead and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And please don't forget to share this video and put your mind in the comment section. See you in another video.